I am absolutely flabbergasted that this kind of thing can happen.
Omugenzi George Wilson Kanyihamba akabaho muramuzi mu hoteli kukira y'obukuru mu ihanga Supreme Court okurwa mu mwaka gwa 1997 okusiya 2009. Kanyihamba akebemberaho n'akakiika kakozire engenderaho y'amateeko mu ihanga mu mwaka gwa 1995. Okurugira Julius Mutabazi omuramuzi wa Kabale Chief Magistrate Court Kanyihamba akabahwera munonga okwetegereza eby'amateeka obyabire nashome biragiro ahari Makerere University kandi no bamazire kwega akaguma nabahwera
nkaba bene bashoma ibiragiro tukatikira kumweta ngo atwegese ningashi a delivering addresses. So akakira kwijaharo skuru oku deliveringa addresses okukira munonga amateka.
Rebecca Ayesiga orukwebembera baro y'abakabare nagira ngo Kanyihamba abiraryetaro mu kwetegereza enkora y'ebiragiro mu ihangeri.
The legal fraternity and the bench plus the bar will surely miss his wisdom. We shall miss the dissenting opinions that he had initially made, and we hope that we follow in his footsteps.
Bandi baroya bomushachi witu yagambaho nabo bayoreka Kanyihamba yasigizi neritari kubasa kweba biragiro by'ihangeri ahabo kuba n'umwe habaramzi ababire batari kutina ubwisho.
Eki turaza guma turamwisho cyo kubanza n'icyo kuba icyo kureberaho kirungi. Abantu bingi barashoma amateka n'abari kuza mu mateka bakaba baramureberaho cyo kureberaho kirungi. He was just a role model for so many young people ababere bari aspiringa kuza mu field ejo no kweyongerayo mbya constitutional nicyo kintu kikuru munonga ecyabera yakozire.
A judge who has been administering justice without fear, without favor, and without ill will. He was a fearless judge whom we respect and whom shall remain to respect, and whose judgments are good precedents.
Kabaho Minister w'eby'emishuburo yabaho na Minister w'ebiragiro kandi yayongera yabo mutunganirizo wa government afutwaza akora amakora ga program yo kuzika yabeta kashuhira amakora gagasha kwa job n'amanya abo atayari West Omurkabare.
Even during the worst days of Idi Amin, litigants were allowed to file cases.